As you know, in diarrhea there is loss of body fluids and electrolytes. So oral rehydration solution or ORS act as a tool to improve the electrolytes and fluid levels of our body. ORS, which is available at our public health facilities, at our hospital, at our community health center, primary health center, like these one can be prepared by just these can be prepared by dissolving 1 packet of ORS, and this is also available at the chemist, and this we can use it by dissolving it with warm with 1 liter of boiled water, which is when cooled it is added to the boiled water, and it can be used throughout the day for 24 hours. After 24 hours this has to be discarded. But what if the ORS is not available at your home? How can you prepare ORS if it is not available at your home? In this video I will tell you about how to make ORS just from table sugar and common salt. First you have to boil water for 10 minutes. After that allow it to cool for 10 minutes, after which we can start making the ORS solution process. First we have to add this is a boiled water now kept for 30 minutes to cool down. This is 1 liter of water we are adding in the container. Now we have to add 5 gram of common salt, 4 gram, 5 gram, okay, so this is 5 gram. Now I mix the 5 gram of common salt in the lukewarm water. Now we will be adding 20 gram of sugar. Okay, so this is 20 gram of sugar. Now we will add this sugar to this 1 liter of water. Now we'll mix this solution. Okay, I think the solution is completely dissolved. Now we will place it in the 1 liter bottle. Okay, so this is now ORS, homemade ORS made up of table sugar and common salt. Now this you can use 24 hours. After that you have to discard it. Let's see how it tastes. It almost tastes quite similar like ORS, but little unflavored because many of the ORS are flavored from oranges or like lemon. So quite taste like ORS. Yes. So what if ORS powder or table sugar or common salt is not available at your place? So what can you do, or what are the alternatives to ORS, which alternative drinks which you can use in place of ORS? So you can drink like green coconut water, rice water, buttermilk, vegetable soup, and unsweetened fruit juices. Please avoid things like soft drink, sweetened fruit juices, or sweetened tea, because the high sugar content of this drink will lead to more dehydration due to high osmolarity.